Breaking news. You won't believe. A U.S. refueling plane has just crashed in Iraq, claiming the lives of 4 brave American service members. This isn't just an accident. It's a devastating blow, a tragedy that reverberates across the globe and through every military family. What exactly happened in those final moments?
Reports confirm the KC-130 aircraft went down during a critical mission. The specifics are still emerging, but the impact is clear. 4 lives, dedicated to serving their country, were lost in an instant. The scene is one of immense sorrow and urgent investigation. Everyone is asking, how could this happen? Authorities are working tirelessly to understand the cause, whether it was mechanical failure, unforeseen circumstances, or something far more complex. This incident raises serious questions about aviation safety in operational zones and the inherent risks our service members face every single day. The military community is in mourning. The loss of these 4 individuals leaves a void that may never be filled. As the investigation unfolds, the world watches, awaiting answers and honoring their sacrifice. Join us in remembering these heroes and staying informed on the developments of this profound tragedy. Their legacy will not be forgotten.